Camping in deep snow or sand can be quite a challenge. Where exactly are you going to drive your tent stake? The standard thin aluminum tent stake is not going to provide a whole lot of security in snow. They also may be inadequate when you're in deep sand. Here's a simple, easy method of securing your tent or tarp when you have these conditions.
This is a standard stake you'd find in a backpacking tent or something of that order. And when you put it into the sand, you can see that it's really easy to get in. That means it's going to be easy to get out too. It probably won't hold if you get a big wind. We're going to create what they call a deadhead. Essentially all you're going to do is dig a trench. And you can do this in snow or sand or whatever. Pretty easy digging. We're going to put our loop for the tent or whatever we're tying down right there. Stick it in here. And then cover it back up. Now the difference between this and that other tent stake is look how much stake we have buried in the ground now. It's going to do fine. Stomp it down hard. Put some more on there. Once the sand settles in, you've got a good anchor for your tent.
This was a wilderness skills tip from survivalcommonsense.com. Thank you for watching. And please check out my book, Bushcraft Basics, a common sense wilderness survival handbook.